Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I'm Dipanjan Kumar De. Today the lecture of biostatistics and research methodology. Factorial design lecture number 4. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand how to write the treatment combination in standard order in factorial experiment. How to write treatment combination in standard order in factorial experiment. Suppose 2 square factorial experiment, 2q factorial, 2 to the power 4 factorial design, how to write the treatment combination in standard order. So these are the outcomes of these sessions. These are the outcomes of these sessions. So let's start. How to write the treatment combination in standard order in factorial experiment. Suppose 2 square factorial design, 2 square factorial, 2 square factorial design. 2 square factorial design means there are two factor, each factor having two levels. Just you you will see in my previous lecture, that is lecture number 4 of factorial. Lecture number 3, I have already explained factor and that is level. Okay, so in 2 square factorial design, there are this power is 2. That means two factors, each factor having this 2 is each factor having each factor having two levels, each factor having two levels, okay. That is, suppose say two factors, suppose factor a equal to, suppose Panadol tablet, and factor b equal to Disprin tablet. So 2 square factorial design, there are two factors, factor A and factor B. Okay. Factor A has two level. This is two level. This is A0. This is A1. Factor B has two level. This is B0. This is B1. This is B1. This is known as lower level. This is known as higher level. This is known as lower level. This is known as higher level. Okay. So each factor having two levels. 2 square factorial. This is known as factor. This is known as level. Try to understand. This is known as factor. This is known as level. So there are two factors. Each factor having two levels. Say like this. This is lower level. This is higher level. So how to write, firstly, number of treatment combination. So we have already discussed how many number of treatment combination, TC, treatment treatment combination combination treatment combination is denoted by TC. Number of treatment combination means first factor having two levels, so this 2, second factor having two levels, this is 2, so 2 into 2, that comes 4. So to get the number of treatment combination, you have to multiply the levels of all factor, then you will get the number of treatment combination. That means if treatment combination means this level and this level, if we combine this, then how many combinations you will get. That is known as treatment combination. That is level of two factors combine, then how many combining combination we will get. That is known as treatment combination. Like if I give an example like factor A, factor A Factor A has two levels, that is A0, A1, and factor B having two labels. This is B0, this is B1. Okay, okay, this is factor B, this is factor A, factor A, factor A. Okay, okay. Factor A having two labels, factor A having two labels, that is A0, A1, factor B having two labels, B0 and B1. So how many treatment combination? That is 4. That means this and this combine. So this is known as A0, B0, A0, B0. This is known as this into this, that is A0, B1, A0, B1. This into this, that is A1, B0. This is A1, B1. These are the 4 treatment combination. So here you are getting 4. Then how to write the 4 treatment combination? By this way. That is this can be A0, A0, B0, A0, B0, A1, B0, A0, B1, A0, B1 and A1, B1. A0, B0. What do you mean by A0, B0? Means both at lower level. You see A0, B0. Lower level of A factor and lower level of B factor. What is A? A is the Panadol tablet. What is factor B? B is the Disprin tablet. Both are lower level we are applying. Then that is A0, B0. Both are lower level. Level means suppose 5 mg. This is suppose 5 mg. This is suppose 10 mg. This is suppose 15 mg. This is suppose 30 mg. So these are the level. Both are lower level I am applying. That is A0, B0. This is A0, B0 is denoted by I, or you can say 1. Okay. A0, B0 is denoted by 1. So this is A or A1, B0. This is denoted by actually A. Two factors, that is A and B. So A0, B1. This is what is actually A1, B0? A1, B0 means higher level of A and lower level of B. Lower level of B. A0, A1, B0. This higher level of A, lower level of B. This is known as A1, B0. Now A0, B1. A0, B1 means lower level of A, higher level of B. So that is this is again written as B, and A1, B1 means AB. This can be written as AB. That is AB. So this A1, B1 means it means that both at higher level, that is higher level of A and higher level of B. This is known as A1, B1. So for 2 square factorial design, we have 4 treatment combination. How to write 4 treatment combination by this way? This can be written as 1, that is both at lower level. Okay. So 2 square factorial design. This is 2 square factorial design. This can be written as 2 by 2 factorial design also. Factorial 2 by 2 factorial design. Okay, 2 by 2 factorial design. These are the treatment combination. Similarly, in 2q factorial design, we will get how to get treatment combination in 2q factorial design. This is the scenario. This is the scenario for 2 square factorial design. This is the scenario for 2 square factorial design, and how to write the treatment combination. By this way, we can write the treatment combination. How to get the treatment combination, number of treatment combination. That means you have to multiply the levels. Okay, levels of factor. That is factor A has 2 level, factor B has 2 level. So 2 into 2, this 2 level into, that is 4. 4 is the treatment combination. Treatment combination is 4. So these are the 4 treatment combination. By this way, we can get it. Okay. Now we will focus on 2q factorial design. In 2q factorial design. Okay. Let's see. In 2q factorial design, how to write treatment combination in 2q factorial design. In 2q factorial design. 2q factorial design. Factorial design. In 2q factorial design, these three means there are three factors, each factor having two levels. This two means levels. So each factor having two levels. Say this is suppose A factor A, this is factor B, this is factor C. Okay. Factor B has two level, B0, B1. A has two level, A0, B0, A0, A1. Factor C has two level, that is C0, C1. C0, C1. Okay, C0, C1. Okay. So now in 2q factorial design, there are three factors, each factor having two levels. This has two levels, this has two levels, this has two levels. Now how many treatment combination? That is treatment total treatment combination, TC, equal to two level, B factor having two level, C factor having two level, that comes 8 treatment combination. There are 8 treatment combination. In 2q factorial design. So in 2q factorial design, we are getting 8 treatment combination. Now that means 8 treatment combination. That means if we combine all this level, then how many combinations we will get? That is 8. 8 combination you will get. Like as 2 square factorial design, right? Okay. So now I will focus on how to get 8 treatment combination. That is, if you combine all this, then how to get, the treatment combination, that is factor is ABC, how to get the treatment combination and how to write the treatment combination. So firstly, how to get the treatment combination? Firstly, you see A0, A0, B0, C0, A0, B0, C0. This is one. A0, B0, C0, then A1, B0, C0, then A0, B1, C0, A0, B1, C0, then A0, B0, C1. A0, B0, C1. Then A0, B1, C1, A0, B1, C1, then A0, B1, C1, then A1, B0, C1, then A0, B1, C1, then A0, then A1, B0, B1, C1. This is B1, C1, B0, C1, then A1, B1, C1. These are the 8 treatment combination. 8 treatment combination. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 treatment combination. That means if we combine all these factors, we will take one lower level, A0, B0, C0, means all factor having lower level. We are applying all factor having lower level. Suppose A is a Panadol tablet, B is a Disprin tablet, and C is another, suppose another painkiller tablet. Okay. So these are the levels. That means three factors, all factors having lower level. That is, this is written as, that is 1. This is written as 1, or you can say I. Okay. That means 1 means all at lower level you are applying. Lower level of A0, lower level of A factor A, lower level of factor B, lower level of factor C is known as this. So this is denoted by, that is A. A means higher level of factor A, lower level of factor B, and lower level of factor C. So this is denoted by B. So B means lower level of factor A, higher level of factor B, then lower level of factor C. So we are writing, why I am writing here A, why not B? Because we are taking higher level of A, so I am writing A. I am writing here B, not A, not C, because I am taking higher level of factor B. So I am writing B. So this can be written as similarly C means lower level of A, lower level of B factor and higher level of C factor. Then this can be written as, that is BC, that means higher level of factor B, higher level of factor C and lower level of factor A. This can be, sorry, this will be A0. A0, A0 beyond C. A0, AB, 1A, B, C. 1A, B, then AB. This will be A1. This will be A1. This will be B1. This will be C0. A1, B1, C0. So this will be A, AB. And this will be A0, B0, C1. This will be actually C. And this will be BC, this will be AC, and this will be ABC. Now see. So this is the standard order. This is the standard order I am maintaining here. 1, A, this will be B, this will be AB. That is higher level of A factor, higher level of B factor, lower level of C factor. Then A0, B0, C. That means higher level of factor C, lower level of factor B, lower level of factor A. Okay. So this is BC, this is AC, then ABC. So ABC means all at higher level, all at higher level, all at higher level. Okay. So these are the 8 treatment combination for 2Q factorial design. Already I know this 8. There are 8 treatment combination. How to write all these levels into 8 treatment combination by this way. So now there is a rule. There is a rule in standard order. That means I am maintaining, that is firstly you have to write by this way, then it will be easy for understand. Okay. Just wait. Like if you write 8 treatment combination, that is ABC factor. So write first 1, then A, then multiply this 2 by B, that is B, then AB. Okay. Then factor C will come. Factor C, ABC or factor ABC. So A1, then A, then 1, then A, then multiplied by B. B into 1, that is B. B into A, that is AB. Now C factor will come. C into 1, that is C, then AC, then C into this, that is BC, then C into AB, that is ABC. You see? You see? C, AC. Okay. So this is the standard order. That is standard order. 1, A, B, AB, then C, AC, BC, then ABC. Then ABC. Okay. C, then AC will come. So better thing, you can write this is AC. So you can write AC here, no problem. You can write AC. AC means A1, B0, AC. Then here will be BC. So here will be A0, here will be B1. This will be BC by standard order. Then C, then AC, then BC, then ABC. You see 1, 1, A. Then multiply these two factor, these two by B, B, then AB. Okay, B, then AB. Now this multiplied by C, see, C, C. Then C into this AC, C into this BC, AC, then BC, then C into this ABC. Okay. These are the 8 treatment combination. These are the 8 treatment combination for 2q factorial design. 2q factorial design. Now, if I say for 2 to the power 4 factorial design, 2 to the power 4 factorial design, 2 to the power, what I am telling, 2 to the power 4 factorial design, there are 4 factors, each factor having, there are 4 factors, each factor having 2 levels. So 4 factor, each factor having 2 levels. That is treatment combination. Total treatment combination equal to each 4 factor, each factor having 2 levels. First factor 2 level, second factor 2 level, third factor 2 level, fourth factor 2 level. That means 16 treatment combination. Okay, you have to multiply the level of each factor, then total treatment combination you will get. Total treatment combination, how to get? Multiplying each factor, multiplying the level of each factor with each other. That is why first, this means first factor having 2 level, this means second factor having 2 level, this means third factor having 2 level, this means fourth factor having 2 level. So 16 treatment combination. Now how to write? There are 4 factors, suppose A, B, C, D. So how to write 16 treatment combination? Just follow me. 16 treatment combination. First one, then A, then B, then AB. Okay. Then multiplied by C. C into 1. Tell me. By this way. This is the standard order. This is the standard order. I have written here in standard order. In standard order. Then multiply this by C. C into 1, that is C. Then C into A, that is, tell me, AC. Then C into B, that is BC. Then C into AB, that is ABC. Okay. ABC. Okay. Now multiply this and this by D. That means, tell me, D into 1, tell me, D. Then D into A, that is AD. D into B, that is BD. Then D into AB, that is ABD. ABD. Now, D into this, CD, this is CD. D into this, that is ACD. D into BC, that is BCD. D into this, that is ABCD. These are the 16 treatment combination. These are the 16 treatment combination in standard order. In standard order. 16 treatment combination in standard order. Standard order. Okay. So how to write once again? First you have to write 1. Then 1 into A, that is A. Then A finish. Okay. Now B. B into 1, that is a B. B into A, that is AB. Okay. Now multiplied by C. C into 1, that is C. C into A, that is AC. C into B, that is BC. C into AB, that is ABC. Okay, now multiplied with D, this and this. Okay. D into 1, that is D. D into A, that is AD. D into B, that is BD. D into AB, that is ABD. Now multiplied with D with this. D into C, that is CD. D into AC, that is ACD. D into BC, that is BCD. D into ABC, that is ABCD. These are the 16 treatment combination for 2 to the power 4 factorial design. 2 to the power 4 factor. So what is actually suppose if I say what is actually ABD? ABD, there are 3 factors, I told 4 factors. So what is actually ABD? That is, A means higher level of A, 1, higher level of factor B, that is B1, lower level of factor, there is no C, so lower level of factor C, and higher level of factor D, that is D1. Factor A, B, C, D, I told. There are 4 factors. 4 factors I told. 4 factors. A, B, C, D. Sorry, D factor. So this 2 level, this 2 level, this 2 level, this 2 level. D0, D1. This will be C0, C1. This will be B0, B1. This will be A0, A1. So now, what is actually ABD? ABD means higher level of A factor, higher level of B factor, lower level of C0 and C factor, and higher level of D factor. So this means C present means higher level of factor C. We have to lower level we are not considering here actually. Let us understand about suppose ACD. ACD. What do you mean by ACD? ACD means we are taking the higher level of A, that is ACD can be written as, this can be written as higher level of factor A. This will be A1. B is absent here, so it will be lower level. C is present, so it will be higher level. This C1, and D is present. This will be D1. ACD. Suppose if I say what is ABCD? ABCD. Then tell me all are present. ABCD. All are at higher level. B1. This will be B1. This will be C1. This will be D1. That means ABCD means all at higher level we are taking. So that is known as ABCD. So ABCD. Okay. E1, B1, C1, D1. Okay. So now suppose if I say what is AD? AD. What is AD means? A present, so it will be higher level. B not present, so it will be lower level. C not present, it will be lower level. D is present, that is it is higher level. So this is AD, A1, A1, D1. Okay, understand now. So suppose if I say what is actually C? What is C? Tell me. C means only higher level of C applied and lower level, that is A0. This will be B0. This will be C1. This will be D0. This is known as actually C. What is C here? This is the C. That is higher level of factor C and higher lower level of factor A, lower level of factor B, lower level of factor D. Okay, this is known as C. Similarly, other thing you can do. Okay. Now this is actually 2 to the power 4 factorial design. So 16 treatment combination you are getting. Now if I say 2 to the power 5 factorial design, then how many treatment combination and how to write in standard order. This is the last one. We are focusing now. There are 2 to the power 5 treatment combination, 2 to the power 5 treatment factorial design. There are 5 factors, each factor having 2 levels. So treatment combination total treatment combination equal to 2 into 2. 5 factors, each factor having 2 level. So how many treatment combination how to get? You have to multiply the levels. First factor 2 level, second factor 2 level, third factor 2 level, fourth factor 2 level, fifth factor 2 level, fifth factor 2 level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 to the power 5 factorial design. That means there are 32 treatment combination. 32 treatment combination. Now how to write 32 treatment combination in standard order? Okay, so just follow me. I'll write. That means A, B, C, D, another one is E. There are 5 factors. Okay, 5 factors. Okay, so 5 factors. Just follow me. First is 1, then 1 multiplied by A, that is A, then B multiplied by B into 1, that is B, multiplied by B into A, that is AB. Okay, okay. Now multiply this by C. B factor is already taken. Now C into 1, that is C into A, follow me, C into A, that is AC, C into B, that is BC, C into AB, that is ABC. C, AC, BC, ABC. C, AC, BC, ABC. Now multiplied by D factor. D into 1, that is D. D into A, that is AB. D into B, that is BD. D into AB, that is ABD. Okay. Then D with this. Okay. CD, it will be CD. It will be ACD. It will be BCD. It will be ABCD. Okay. Now multiplied by E factor. Now E factor will come. E into this, E into this, E into this, E into this. Then you will get it. Okay. So just follow me. E into 1, that is E, E, E into 1. E into 1, that is E, sorry. E into 1, that is E. E into A, that is AE. E into B, that is BE. E into AB, that is ABE. Just follow me. Now E into this, CE. Now SCE. Now BCE. Now ABCE. ABCE. Now E into this. E into this. Tell me. Tell me. E into D, that is DE. D. E into ADE. D into BD, that is BDE. D into this ABDE. Now E into this, that is CDE. Then ACDE. ACDE. Then this into the BCDE. BCDE. Then this into this ABCDE. ABCDE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, this is total 32 treatment combination. These are the 32 treatment combination for 2 to the power 5 factorial design. That is, these 5 factors are taken. So this is the total treatment combination in standard order. This is the way we have written the 32 treatment combination for 2 to the power 5 factorial design. For 2 to the power 5 factorial design. 2 to the power 5 factorial design. Okay. Now, what do you mean by this? Actually, 5 factors are there here: A factor, B factor, C factor, D factor, D factor, and E factor. This has 2 level, E0, E1. This has D0, D1. This factor having 2 level, I already written C0, C1. This is B0, B1. This is A0, A1. Try to understand. These are the levels. So 2 levels, 2 into 2 into 2. So now, what do you mean by, suppose A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E. Tell me, A is present, that is higher level of this, that is A1. B is present, that is higher level of B, factor B. Higher level of factor B, that is, it will be B1. C is present, yes, higher level of factor C, that is C1. Higher level of factor D is not present here, so lower level. If anyone is not present, then that means it is lower level. If anyone is present, that means we are taking higher level. This is the rule, okay. And E is present, that is, it will be E1. So A1, B1, C1, D0, E1. This is known as ABCE. ABCE. This is the combination. That means if we combine all this treatment, all these factors, that is A1, A0, A1, B0, B1, C0, C1, D0, D1, E0, E1, then we are getting 32 treatment combination. This 32 treatment combination can be written as this in standard order. So what do you mean by ABCE? This is the meaning. Now if I say, what do you mean by, suppose, tell me, ABCD, say ABCD. ABCD. Which one is present? A is present. This means that A1, B is present. This is B1. C is present. This is C1. D is present. This is D1. E is present. No. E is not present. So it is E0. Okay. What do you mean by ACDE? Suppose ACDE. ACDE. That means A is present. So it is A1. B is not present. This is B0. C is present, this is C on, D is present, this is D on, E is present, that is E on. So this is ACDE, ACDE. Okay, that means ACDE means we are applying higher level of A factor, lower level of B factor, higher level of C factor, higher level of D factor, higher level of E factor. Now what is ABCDE? That means all at higher level. You see, everyone is present. ABCE, ABCDE, AB, ABCDE. That means all at higher level. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. This is the meaning of ABCDE. Okay, all are present. That means all at higher level we are applying. So this is how to write. This is how to write the treatment combination in standard form of 2 square factorial design, 2 factorial design, 2 to the power 4 factorial design, 2 to the power 5 factorial design, and etc. Similarly, you can write others. Okay, so this was the topic. So I have finished this topic. This how to write the treatment combination in standard order in factorial design. So I think everybody understood very nicely. If you have any question, any clarification, any doubts, you can call me. Like I am giving my phone number here. You can call me. That is in this number 94330-84638. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my phone number. You can talk with me. If there have been any problem, any clarification, you can ask me. So one thing I will say, I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So keep watching, sharing, and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, so that you will get the update every day, every week, 2 or 3 video I am uploading. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you.